A very pleasant morning to all. This is Fancy Joes from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 7th mathematics, first chapter integers. We have already learned integers, what are integers, how to add and how to subtract integers. In today's class we will learn how to multiply integers and how to divide integers. So let us get started. So first we will see how to multiply two integers. Okay, so we will see first rules. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Case 1. Product of two integers with same sign. If two integers are having same sign, then what to do? Then their product will be with positive sign. That is, two positive will become positive and two negative will also become positive. That is, if you are multiplying two positive integers, then answer will also be positive integer. And if you are multiplying two negative integers, the answer will also positive. Okay. Next case we will see product of two integers with unlike signs. Unlike signs means one integer is having plus sign and another integer is having minus sign. In this case, their answer will also be negative. That is, what is the rule? Find the product of their absolute values, that is their numerical values, and give a minus sign to the product. And give a minus sign to the product. So, while finding the product of integers, you have to keep in mind this table. Very easy table. That is, if both the signs are same, then answer will be positive. If one is positive and other is negative, then it will be negative. That is, here also negative and positive will be negative. Okay. In division also this is same. So we will see what about division. Division of integers. Division of two integers having like signs. The quotient of two integers having like signs is positive. That is, it is obtained by dividing the absolute value of the dividend with the absolute value of the divisor. That is, if you are dividing positive integer and positive integer, answer will be, that is, quotient will be positive. If you are dividing two negative integers, still the answer will be a positive integer. And the next case is division of two integers having unlike signs. The quotient of two integers having unlike signs is negative. It is obtained by dividing the absolute value of the dividend with the absolute value of the divisor. So here you can see one example, 35 divided by minus 7. Her answer is negative 5. That is the same table that we have seen in the case of multiplication. This is the same table. That is, if you are dividing one positive integer by a positive integer, then your answer will be a positive integer. If you are dividing two negative integers, still your answer will be positive. And the next case, one is positive and other is negative. The answer is negative. Here also one is negative, one is positive, answer is negative. Okay, now we will see how to solve the questions. So from this exercise, I am solving from exercise 1C. So we will see the questions. First question is that find the product. Find the product. Product means you have to multiply. What is the first question? 18 into 4. Here 18 also a positive integer, 4 is also a positive integer. So you have to just multiply. 18 into 4. 8 4s are 32. 3 is carried over. 1 4s are 4 plus 3 7. Here answer is 72 and it is a plus. The answer sign is plus. See the next question. Minus 25 into 6. Minus 25 into 6. Here one is a negative integer and another is a positive integer. So what will be the answer? Your answer will be in negative. So we will see 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 is carried over. 2 6 are 12 plus 3 15. 150. And what will be the sign? Sign will be minus. That is your answer is minus 150. We will see the next question is minus 13 into minus 8. So first you multiply the absolute values, that is 13 into 8. 8 3s are 24. 2 is carried over. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. Answer is 104. Here two negative signs are there, that is negative into negative. Your answer is positive. You don't need to show the positive sign. You can simply write 104. So your answer is 104. So we will see next question. 0 into minus 11. That you all know, if you are multiplying any number with 0, your answer will be 0. Okay. So I will show you this again. That is, if you are multiplying two integers are having same sign, then it will be a positive integer. Here also two are having same sign, that is negative, and negative will be positive. But if one is negative and one is positive, then your answer will be in negative. Okay, clear? So this is how you multiply two integers. Next we will see how to divide two integers. How to divide two integers. See, our next question is find the quotient. The first question is that 28 divided by minus 7. No need to divide. You all know the answer. Answer is 4. But the sign will be negative because one is positive and one is negative. So answer is negative. Clear? Second question. 65 divided by minus 13. 65 divided by minus 13. Here also answer is 13 5s are 65. Negative 5. Answer will be minus 5. Next question. 66 negative 66 divided by minus 6. That is minus 66 divided by minus 6. Here you know the answer is 11. Two negatives are there. So answer will be a positive number. Clear? Okay. Here we will see multiplication of three integers also. Multiplication of three integers, that is find the product. The first question is that minus 9 into 8 into minus 5. Minus 9 into 8 into minus 5. So first you have to do this. That is minus 9 into 8 will be minus 72. Then minus 72 into minus 5. So you can do here 72 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 is carried over. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. But answer will be in positive with positive sign. That is two negatives are there. So answer will be positive. Clear? That is, first you have to multiply two integers, then with that answer you have to multiply the third integer. So you will get this answer. So we will see one more question from this. Minus 12 into minus 15, minus 12 into minus 15 into minus 2, minus 12 into minus 15 into minus 2. So first you have to multiply these both. That is 12 into 15. 12 into 15, 5 2s are 10, 1 is carried over, 60 to 180. Here sign will be positive because one is two integers are negative. So here answer will also be negative. 180 into minus 2. 180 into minus 2 is 360. But the sign will be negative. Clear? Okay. Next, we will see one more question. The third question is minus 11 into minus 8 into 5. So first you have to multiply 8 into 5 because this is given in the bracket. So we will write 11 into minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. Okay, one is negative, one is positive, so answer is negative 40. Next, 11 into 40. 11 into 40 is 440, but the sign will be positive. That is 440. Okay, so this is how we will multiply and divide two integers. So now we have learned about integers, how to add, how to subtract two integers. In this video we have seen how to multiply and how to divide the integers. So by this video we have finished this chapter. Hope this chapter was clear to you all. Thank you all of you. Take care.